Do I really need to say check the weather? It's raining, it's dark, it's just not it, man. It's not it, but we're not moving far from the hotel. We're here now. This is the spot we're coming to check out. So let's see what it's got in it. I'm kind of hungry, ain't gonna lie. Let's sample this bad boy, let's sample this. Caesar salad.
That's not the one you have to do.
This is not it, bro.
I like it. It forces us to stay here.
It's chocolate. That's interesting. You're not getting this, man. You're not getting this one. Oh my god. No, don't do that, don't do that. No, but babe, you got your creme brulee. No, but you got creme brulee. No, that's too, you got creme brulee. So when I bought my laptop, got me a cup of tea, finishing off the editing here, whilst wife is doing her studying, and listen to this nice relaxed music in the background. My type of vibe when it's raining. This is the type of vibe you need, isn't it, babe? Isn't it, wife? This is the type of vibe you need when it's raining, huh?
My ass is cold. Too much information.
What's too much information for YouTube? My ass is cold.
I didn't say my ass, I said my ass. This is too cold for me, I can't.
So we're back home, we're chilling. I'm currently uploading yesterday's vlog, had that all edited and that. We slept incredibly well. Did you sleep well? But now we're looking for somewhere to go get some dinner. We're thinking some Persian food. We got one recommended yesterday because we met one of my Persian peoples, but that's pretty far from here, so, and the weather's terrible, so we're not looking to walk hella far. That one we probably hit up tomorrow or something, depending on the situation and the weather, even though it says it's gonna rain tomorrow as well. Not ideal, but we're gonna look for one pretty close.
Oh my god, they sell kunaf.
What else kunaf?
That cheese dish where it's like dessert cheese.
Oh, don't do that, babe. Don't. Flavor my stomach.
Lamb chops.
Oh god, why is she gonna mention lamb chops? Why you gonna mention? And that's the same restaurant.
They call it Kadaif.
It's the same restaurant?
No, this is another one. But it's
another
the same
one, same area.
Distance.
Okay, but yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So next time you see me, we'll be sitting inside a restaurant.
Oh, there's also a Lebanese restaurant only 950 meters away.
It's not that dramatic, right?
Let me try it. Maybe yours is different.
No, it's the same. So we are out of the food place. Where do we start, babe? You gonna go with your dishes first? Because mine was basically, mine was 2 different types of lamb with rice. The salad in the beginning, that was awesome. I'm not gonna lie, I like that.
Bread was nice.
Bread was really nice and soft and warm.
Oh wait, snack is nice.
No butter.
Let's shop first and then, oh no, is it closed?
No, it's the other one. It's the other entrance. This is the entrance. I'll get back to you guys in 2 seconds. Cool, alright, safe. Alright, so I'm back. So, my dish was basic. It was lamb. There was no faults there. Lamb. 2 types of lamb. I got a rice.
One was normal.
Got a rice.
With rice. That was salty, kind of.
Am I explaining my dish or you explaining my dish? Wait, hold on.
Because you're not giving the details.
I am giving the details.
2 types of lamb and rice.
That's it. That's what I got, bro.
That's dead, though.
But it's basic, though.
No, because you got saffron rice.
What?
The expensivest, the most expensive spice in the world.
Really?
Yeah, it is. It's more expensive than gold.
Wow.
Weighed by the gram.
Wow.
Yeah, so say saffron rice.
So I got that expensive rice, you know? That expensive shit. That's what I got. And Zoe, you got? Well, put it this way. Let me talk it. This is what I always tell her. I always tell her when I order, just follow the leader, follow the leader. You know those? But she don't do them things. She's always out here like, I'm gonna experiment, you know, because I'm gonna try and make a Frankenstein type of situation. No, woman, that's because you always like to mix things. You look at things, she's like, oh, that sounds good. No. Does it taste good, bruh? Does it taste good? And today,
it did taste good.
Stuff like, you know, it's the holy month of Ramadan. Woman, you gotta light it. You should not be lying it. Lord. What?
Okay. Try to explain the sauce you bought.
What sauce I bought?
That stinky sauce you bought.
No, but before we went in there, you was like, you take a couple of dishes and I'll take one dish and then we try each of them.
No, I
That's
said
what
one
we
dish.
should do.
No, I specifically said I was gonna take one dish and you was gonna take kebab dish.
And I did.
Yeah, but
you said we should try the soup. Oh, did you not?
No, I did not.
La Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You can lie.
What are you saying?
Zo! Are you real life doing this right now?
First of all, let me explain. I said you, and don't interrupt. I said you order 1 kebab dish, I'll order 1 stew dish, and then we share.
Okay.
But
did you order stew?
I ordered I ordered a main course, a rice dish.
So did I.
No, you didn't. You ordered a kebab dish, and then on top of that, you ordered a stew. Yeah, you did.
It's okay. I'll allow you. It's okay. Either way, all the meals that she orders were dead, innit?
No, they
and then she
weren't.
ended up ordering my dish. And you said, fine. Alright, cool. Safe.
No, I didn't.
Don't,
I just ordered 1 lamb.
Why?
Lamb.
Did you eat your chicken?
Because I didn't like the chicken. It was wet.
You see? She didn't like her meal. That's what I gotta say. Now my hand's getting heavy. And we're gonna go home.
I thought it would be a dry dish. It was a wet dish.
It was a wet
For some
dish.
reason there was wet sauce on the side. Like wet water.
Because she read it and it sounded
Water
good.
is wet. That's dumb.
Like, hurrah.